Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Sheets to auto-update dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Click on the Extensions menu at the top of the screen. Select App Script from the drop-down menu. In the App Script editor, you will see a default function called My Function. Delete the default function and create a new one by typing function authorize, followed by curly braces. Inside the curly braces, type drive_app.getFiles to initialize authorization. Click on the disk icon to save your script and give it a meaningful name. Now click on the play icon to run the function. A prompt will appear, asking for authorization. Select your Google account and click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, close the App Script editor to return to your Google Sheets. Next, set up your dashboard using charts and tables as desired in the spreadsheet. To make sure your dashboard updates automatically, click on File. Select Spreadsheet Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, select the Calculation tab. Change the recalculation setting to Unchange or Unchange in every hour, depending on your needs. Click Save Settings to apply your changes. Your dashboard is now set to auto-update based on the settings you chose. To test the auto-update feature, make changes to the data in the spreadsheet. Return to your dashboard and verify that the updates reflect automatically. That's it. You have successfully authorized Google Sheets to auto-update your dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.